Good day, 3D printing world. I was just getting ready to run my A8 for probably the first time in 2018, and just like I normally would, I was calibrating it. And as I was calibrating it, I turned on the preheat, and all of a sudden I saw smoke coming from this side. So, because I added that switch, I was able to shut it off and debug it, and of all the crazy things, over break, the heating element came loose. So I've pushed it partially back in, and you can see I'm going to finish that right now when it cools down, because of course it's hot. But just one of the things you want to be aware of, it's never good to leave a printer unattended, and if you happen to be there, always keep an eye on it, because I hit preheat while I was doing the bed leveling. I was able to catch that before anything bad happened. I am going to need to print a new fan, because you can see that did melt pretty good. But hey, at least I learned before it was a big issue. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.